Chi Made Easy.
Hello, Abusia. Welcome back to Chi Made Easy. Today, we will learn the days of the week in Chi with Grandma Martha. Yebisia and ne wana wachinumu. Ayakrado. Yen Shasie. In Chi, the first day of the week, which is Sunday, is called Kwasiada. Kwasiada. The second day of the week, which is Monday, is called Ejoada. Ejoada. The third day of the week, which is Tuesday, is called Ebenada. Ebenada. The fourth day of the week, which is Wednesday, is called Wukuada. Wukuada. Thursday is called Yawada. Yawada. Friday is called Efiada. Efiada. And the last day of the week is called Memenda. Memenda. So children, how do we say Sunday in Chi?